How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can get the best, the most incredible, and most beautiful wallpapers for your iPhone. Let's get started. Okay, so if you've been following the channel, you have probably noticed that I'm always using some amazing wallpapers like these ones you're seeing right here. And I'm constantly getting questions about how do I get these incredible wallpapers. They're so beautiful, they look so well integrated, and so on. And the thing is, I don't know if you noticed, but all of them, absolutely all of them, are actually made by Apple. They are original, authentic, stock Apple wallpapers. And in this video, what I'm gonna do is actually show you how you can get all of those, every single wallpaper that Apple has ever created for the iPhone, and I'm gonna show you right now, and you're gonna love it. Let's get started. Okay, so the thing is, Apple just removed their original stock wallpapers from the iPhone settings, but of course we can get them from the web. So what I recommend you to do is to go ahead and open up this page right here. I'm gonna have a direct link in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out right now. As you can see, we've got here every single wallpaper from iPhone 1 to iPhone 15. Keep in mind, this list is being constantly updated, so it will be updated to the iPhone 16 and so on. All right, and as you scroll down, as you can see right here, you're gonna get every single wallpaper ever created by Apple for every single iPhone model ever, as you can see. So you can simply go ahead and tap on any wallpaper. If you remember, I love the iPhone SE wallpaper and so on, or of course you can just go ahead and take a look at them one by one and just take a look. So as you guys can see, we're going back in time to the original iPhone and iPhone 3G and 3GS and so on. So those are the like OG wallpapers, the first ever. But if we scroll all the way down, of course we can get the latest one, so iPhone 12, and keep going until we get here, of course, to the iPhone 15 wallpapers, including the 15 Pros. So it's super easy to do, it's super easy to download and install, but please watch the video if you want to get the full resolution. So let me get one that I really love. Okay, so I really love those iPhone 6 wallpapers, especially if I scroll down just a bit, this one in white. I just think it looks gorgeous. So I'm not gonna tap and hold here or save here straight from this website because we're not gonna get the full quality. So my recommendation is to scroll down, and right below that section, right below that full list of wallpapers, take a look at how many we had for the iPhone 6. You can see here, download now. So tap here on download now, and then it'll generally go to a drive, right, where you have all of those. Okay, so you go ahead and take a look at the one you like. So it was a white one, right? Let me see if I can find it. There we go, it's the last one. So tap on it, and then it's gonna load in full quality. Take a look at this, so gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go ahead and download at the top right corner, as you can see right here. It's gonna download straight to my iPhone. Okay, so download, and then it's gonna download, of course, straight to my Files app. So if I tap on downloads, I go ahead and I have here iPhone 6 wallpaper. If I tap here on the icon, I go ahead and let me tap on done. There we go, that's the one. So that's the wallpaper. So right here, we're still in the Files app, right? But we need to go ahead and save to our photos. So tap here, and then the share button, and then of course save image, as you can see, and now it's saved to my photo library. And then we're pretty much good to go, guys. So all you have to do is open up the settings. We're gonna go ahead here to the first page, scroll down just a bit until we get to wallpaper, and right here, of course, I have all of my wallpapers. As you saw, I've got a bunch of them, but what we want to do is actually add new wallpaper. We can just add here, and then it'll replace anything that you have, or if you want to keep all of yours, you go all the way to the right, and then you add a completely new one. So tap on add new, and then tap on photos, and then make sure it's on all, because it's gonna open on featured. Okay, so tap on all, and then it's your typical photo library. Okay, so tap on it. As you can see, it's gonna load and make it perfect. Look at this, how gorgeous this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, and then it's adding. I'm gonna go ahead and set as wallpaper pair because I want it for both. And also, one final tip that not everyone knows, you're gonna go ahead and tap on customize here, and then disable blur, so that it's gonna get super crisp, super high quality, even on your home screen as well. So tap on done, as you can see, and then you're good to go. As you exit, there you go, perfect. Take a look, super crisp, right here in the home screen, and of course also in your lock screen as well. This is just absolutely perfect. And so that's literally it, guys. That's how you actually add, how you can get absolutely the most beautiful, the best wallpapers for your iPhone, all of them made by Apple. So who else will do better wallpapers than them? And then of course just keep doing it. Go ahead to the website, download, save here to your photos, and then you can have endless possibilities just like I have here, and then you can keep switching and keep using whichever wallpaper actually fits your mood. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Bye bye.